Welcome to the Boba Engine, a game engine developed by the student team Rafael's Party from the University of Leeds. Our engine is designed for 3D local multiplayer supporting Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. We would like to introduce its key features in several parts.
Our UI system supports widgets with flexible, customizable styling. These components connect smoothly to user input, creating a fully interactive, real-time experience. Using a combined GLFW and SDL backend, our input system provides keyboard, mouse, and multi-controller support for local couch co-op, all with per-player runtime remapping. Our audio system supports background crossfading, providing the ability to fade between soundtracks. We also support spatial audio, allowing developers to define audio sources that adjust their volume based on distance to the player. We use Blender to create levels with an in-house plugin to import the custom features of our engine. Each object may contain custom properties, including user-defined layers, tags, and base color, which are referenced directly in our engine. The plugin also supports fast integration of moving platforms, providing gizmos for users to define the start and end position of each object. Our entity system allows objects in a scene to have their own code, in line with other popular engines. It supports the core engine components such as mesh rendering, physics rigid bodies, trigger events, and sound cues. Along with other popular games like Death Stranding 2, we use the Jolt library for our engine's collision detection and in-game physics. We utilize raycasting to provide baseline platforming features such as coyote time and terrain following, allowing developers to fine-tune player movement. Our engine's animation system provides a clean translation between game artists and programmers, supporting animation blending, vertex skinning, and looping. Combined with the engine's entity system, we provide developers with a seamless interface to integrate their own animation state machines for real-time complex behaviors. Our camera system utilizes a dual viewport to provide split-screen feedback, reminiscent of local co-op games. A third-person follow camera is provided for each player, enabling side-by-side gameplay required for two-player synergy. Our engine's save and load system captures the state of the world, letting players pick up right where they left off. The in-game checkpoint system lets developers decide the difficulty of each level, allowing players to autosave during key moments. In line with popular IoT technologies, our engine uses a publish and subscribe model to determine communication between entities. This gives the opportunity for game objects to broadcast signals to other objects in the scene. For example, developers can use this system to implement buttons in-game to signal the appearance of platforms that the player can jump on. Our engine incorporates toon shading, shadow mapping, and a paper texture normal map to replicate a non-photorealistic style for developers. Further enhancements are given with post-processing effects, including FXAA to improve a game's image quality and SSAO for depth detail. Optionally, we also provide an in-game skybox, allowing environmental backgrounds to be included in the scene. Lastly, a debug mode created with Dear I'm GUI is provided to allow the developer to view collision boxes, entity states, line markers, and input mapping, alongside a fly-through camera to inspect the scene. A toggle is also provided for our rendering features, giving developers the option to view the impact each technique has on the final result.
We hope you enjoyed this showcase of the Boba Engine, which we plan to open source in the future. Thank you for watching.